New weapons. The second new-built Russian Tu-160M strategic missile carrier has been sent to the flight testing station of the Kazan aircraft factory. The new weapons channel reminds us that the first aircraft has already made several flights, and now the second machine has been sent to the flight test station this year. According to the Russian military-industrial complex, the assembly of the third aircraft is already underway. The new weapons channel reminds us that in 2016, Kazan resumed the production of strategic missile carriers in a modernized version of the Tu-160M for the Russian Air Force. At the same time, modernization to the level of the Tu-160M combat vehicles is being carried out. Also, 10 new bombers should be built by 2027 under the contract. The first aircraft built under the contract was made from the reserves left over from the Soviet era. The flight testing station will carry out necessary tests of aircraft systems and engines as well as airborne avionics. The Tu-160 is a crucial part of the nuclear triad of Russia. That is why modernization of combat vehicles and renewal of production of these strategic bombers is a priority task. The upgraded Russian missile-carrying airplanes are superior to their predecessors in their characteristics. They have new onboard avionics equipment. The upgraded aircraft are equipped with more economical engines, which has increased their flight range, new electronics, and are capable of using existing and prospective means of destruction. Reportedly, the production of these machines will increase in the coming years. See everything about the Russian 5th-generation fighter Su-57 at the link. Don't forget to subscribe to the New Weapons channel. Goodbye, everyone.